Quick update on the bunk beds. Cleaned up really good today. Got some columns done today. Got some steps put in today. Looking pretty good. This is what it's gonna look like walking into the room. Boom. Pretty nice. Anyways, that's the update for today. Much love around the globe. Thanks for supporting me on my Patreon, on my Spreadshirt, and anybody who tries to watch every single video. And by the way, that's just a mock-up. This will be solid. And there'll be drawers. All right, see you guys on the next one. That's just the update.
Long years I've been in trouble. No pleasure here on earth I know. For in this world tremble, and no friend to help me now. I have no
Just gonna put yesterday's video and today's video together. Got some columns done. Got the headboard and some shelves. Coming right along. Alright, well here's the conclusion of the beds for now. I have to change gears. Got another job to go to. But there is the progress for today. Like I said, there will be panels up there, panels right there, drawers that match the panels, panels up and down the columns, and right there, a little nook shelf for each one of them. Little update. Happy Sunday. I got to finish this, except it gets a crown molding of some sort on the top. Pretty nice. And like I said in previous videos, I got panels up the side to match the boxes. And apparently this is all gonna have guitars in it, and amplifiers and trinkets and whatnot. Farting around. And this is the other side of the sound studio, which man, it has such an excellent sound in here. And I guess so I don't make it such a short video, I will show you these painted. Pretty good. There's that one. It'll still get doors on the bottom. There's all the shelves that go in it, in them all. Here's this one. All three of those are kind of like the same thing. Anyways, time to clean up. Let's go up a windy staircase. Check out this handrail. Anyways, much love around the globe. Thanks for supporting me on my Patreon, on my Spreadshirt, and anybody who tries to watch every single video. Look at that handrail. Man, that handmade. I helped make that. I just helped glue it together. I didn't do much of the work. And then I guess There is one more unit I did. Oh, it's got stuff stacked all over it. That one there. Anyways, thanks for watching. Like I said, much love around the globe. Thanks for supporting me on my Patreon, on my Spreadshirt, and anybody who tries to watch every single video. And also thanks to all my moderators and #1 moderator, Rosie. We love you. See you guys on the next one.